Here is the laziest way to become millionaire. Now it's on you, grab it or lose it. OpenAI has made a new thing called GPT Store. It is a magic place where you can make lots of money. Here is one in lifetime opportunity for you. You just need 1% from GPT user and you will be millionaire at the end of this year. Couple of days ago OpenAI released a tweet. As you can see in this tweet they show us GPT Store and now it's officially rolled out to several users across the globe. Now let's talk about the GPT blog post which they have shared in their website. This blog post shows some important news related to OpenAI GPT Store and how you can upload your own GPT to earn money. After reading this blog post, our Team AI Tools Corner pick 4 important points for you. First is top picks. This feature show us which GPT is picked by ChatGPT. Browse popular and trending GPTs on the community leaderboard, with categories like DALL-E, writing, research, programming, education, and lifestyle. These type is developed by GPT Store different partners and their community. 2. Every week there will be new featured GPTs. Like you can upload your own GPTs in any category and earn from it or create your own as well. As you can see 6 different types are shown in this blog post. You can create your own niche or enhance these as well. For example, AI trails. GPT Store have all trails. This GPT will help you to find trails that fit your nature for your next hiking, riding or running. You can add your friends and family to join in the trails. Third step, you can upload your own build GPT to their store. Include your GPT in the store. Building your own GPT is simple and doesn't require any coding skills. If you'd like to share a GPT in the store, you'll need these things. Save your GPT for everyone. Like anyone can access your GPT. There will be no special link. Everyone and anyone through proper channel can use your GPT. To upload your GPT you can verify your profile. Then you can submit GPT to their team which will check that your product is according to their policies or not. User policies is like. It means don't add any illegal thing and give proper name to your GPT like Canva. Lastly, any user can report your GPTs any illegal thing to OpenAI GPT Store. Here is the last and most important part. OpenAI announced that builders can earn money from their custom GPTs based on user engagement. The revenue program will start in Q1, which is from January 1st to March 31st. They will share more details on the payment criteria later. This is only the first step, and it seems that it will be limited to US builders at first. I wonder if this is because of some regulations or testing purposes. User engagement is an interesting metric to reward builders because it is different from other methods like affiliate links or commissions. I speculate that OpenAI might have a large fund that they will distribute to the top GPTs every month based on how many users interact with them. This is similar to what Snapchat did with their creativity program, where they paid $1 million a day to the best Snapchats. I think this could be a good way to incentivize builders to create useful and engaging GPTs. I also think that there might be some minimum requirements for user engagement, such as the number of chats, the frequency of interactions, and the duration of sessions. I hope that OpenAI will provide a dashboard for builders to monitor their GPT's performance and feedback. However, I doubt that they will reveal the actual content of the conversations because that might be private or sensitive. Now let's move to next step and see an example from GPT Store. Here is trending GPT right now. My first example is DALL-E. OpenAI top trending image generation tool. Highly effective and best text-to-image creation tool from OpenAI Store. Just type the prompt and it will create image according to your desire. You can create logos, stickers and high-quality images. Here is some example. Also you can create complete store using GPT and DALL-E. So that's it for today. Hope you like this new information which is coming out from OpenAI GPT Store. Visit their site and use some GPT to improve your productivities and performance in this fast world of ChatGPT. That's it for today. Like and subscribe for more news and update related to AI world. Bye.